In ZWCAD 2026, we brought many optimizations in selection to enhance user experience. This improves your efficiency in tasks like text search and replacement, and object selection. Let's take a look at these enhancements. Sometimes you need to quickly locate and modify text in drawings, such as changing the numbers of pipe sleeves. In ZWCAD 2025, after you open the Find and Replace dialog box, you can't edit text in the drawing area. You must close the dialog box to edit. So you have to frequently open and close it throughout the process, which is cumbersome and time-consuming. In ZWCAD 2026, we redesigned the Find and Replace function as a panel. You can quickly open and close it with the Ctrl+F shortcut. Now, you can edit text in the drawing area while searching and replacing text in the panel. It's very convenient. There are often many blocks in architectural design drawings, and they have different attributes and names. How to quickly filter them out? ZWCAD 2026 has upgraded its Smart Select function. The dialog box has been replaced with a panel. You can filter objects based on multiple properties and check results simultaneously as you adjust filters. The results can be refreshed in real time, making it very intuitive. When you import drawings from 3D CAD software, continuous lines may become segments and can't be selected with one click. How to select them conveniently? ZWCAD 2026 added the Chain Select function. It can quickly select connected segments in bulk. All these enhancements make design more efficient. Download ZWCAD 2026 now and have a try.